In this video, we will learn how to count occurrences of a certain character in a string. For example, if you want to find how many times the character A appeared in this string, in my main function, I'm going to create a string and name it a string, and inside I will have some characters A, B, B, C, then A, then D, F, G, F, and then A. So in this string, we want to count the number of appearance of A. So I'm going to use in a counter int type variable and set it to 0. And in for loop, I will use int I and initialize it to 0, and then I less than strings length, and then I plus plus, and over here I'm going to loop through this string by going through each character and then going to match with a s dot char add. I'm going to use the strings function char add and pass in the index. So if this index has a character A, we'll match with that. That will be our character. I'll add here a variable call and name it ch and set to character A, so we can match the character of a string with this character. And over here, if we found a match, then we are going to increment the counter here and here. Function, and over here I'm just going to increment the counter. This will count the number of occurrences of character A in our string. So after our loop, I'm just going to print the counter. System.out.println count is counter, and you can see it printed the number of A appears in that string, that is 3 times. So this way you can count the number of a certain character in a string in Java programming. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.